I'm Yellow and welcome to my show HelloYellow. TV, social media and texts are all channels of unsettling news right now. Coming across a recipe that calls for premium ingredients or elaborate steps might intimidate you. In times as unpredictable as the ones we are facing, the kitchen is the one place where you can be confident and take liberties right now. So I'm going to offer you ideas to substitute ingredients and tips and tricks which might help you with achieving the flavors and textures that the recipe promises, even if you don't follow it as strictly as someone in a restaurant kitchen would. Now this is nourishment for your body and for your mood, so pay close attention. Today I'm going to make a mutton bolognese sauce. I have made this mutton bolognese sauce in Fiesta so many more people are able to enjoy it, and this is the recipe and I'm going to share it today with you. So I'm going to use regular pasta over here today, which is tagliatelle, and I have got Italian tinned tomatoes. Then of course we've got our olive oil, we've got our butter, we've got red wine which I have over here, we've got garlic, we've got onions, we've got our carrot, we've got celery over here. Then coming to the spices, we've got red chili, we've got oregano, we've got rosemary, we've got Italian bay leaf, and we've got nutmeg. And of course we've got our mutton mince over here, and we've got salt and we've got pepper. So let's get started. I'm going to show you now how to make the caramelized reduced red wine. For that you'll require 1 teaspoon of icing sugar, and you just sprinkle that all over the bottom of your fry pan, and you'll start to see it caramelizing once it starts to melt. I'm putting the flame off, and now I'm going to pour in our red wine. I'll put the flame back on. So once your wine starts to boil, that's when the caramel will melt and it'll start to mix with the wine. There'll be a lot of alcohol fumes, so please don't keep your head right above the saucepan while it's boiling. I want to reduce this now just about to 75%. That'll go actually pretty fast. Now our caramelized red wine mixture is ready. Now I'm going to prepare the Polonaise sauce. First I'm going to fry some of the tomatoes. Without oil, they get a bit brown. That gives a particular taste, a really nice taste. And I'm going to add my onions. So the onions have to fry really, really well. This entire process will take you maybe almost 20 minutes until the entire water has evaporated. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add our red wine into it. I'm going to add our tomato. I forgot to mention at the beginning that I always keep in my fridge some stock ready, vegetable stock, and I am going to add now some of that into the sauce. I'll cover it and I'm going to let it simmer for approximately 15 minutes. So whilst our sauce is boiling, I'm going to prepare the pasta. I'm going to start adding all the spices in. So this is dried oregano, which we have dried at home. If you have the regular oregano, that's fine. I'm going to simmer this for another 10 minutes maybe on very low heat until all the herbs sort of release their flavors. So our sauce is ready and I'm going to get it now, and we are going to taste if we need to add anything more. Wow, so let's see. Oh, this looks really nice. Really, really nice. Everything is cooked excellently. I'm going to add a spoon of butter into it now, maybe 1.5, and let the butter nicely melt. Perfect. Really tasty. So let us plate our pasta now. If you want, you can of course add cheese to it, which I'm doing. I normally use parsley for the Bolognese sauce, but we weren't able to get any, so now I'll use the basil. It adds a lot of taste and a lot of color to the food. And I'm going to put a bit of pepper on it. So our dish is ready, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find food ideas helpful during this time, then hit like, subscribe and share so we can make our days better with delicious food.